Tit tit tit. Hey, hey, hey! You guys, did you see that giant baby? What giant baby, Cartman? It's right behind you. It's a huge, huge LOL baby. Don't you see it? No way! This is really a huge LOL doll. Well, I told you. Hey, little giant girl, what is your name? Alright, you can talk. Do you go to school? We go to South Park Elementary. Would you like to come to school with us? Or where's your mom? Where's your dad? What are you planning to do? How did you get here? Well, we have to find your mom. Stan, help us find this giant baby's mom. No, Cartman. If this baby is this big, the mom is gonna be huge. Oh yes, you're totally right. Butters, take this baby home. No, this is not my baby. You take it home. No. My mom wouldn't like that giant baby. And this baby wouldn't fit even into our home. Kyle, what about you? Would you like to take this baby home? Me? No. My dad would get disturbed from a baby cry. We don't want a crying baby. Stop right there. This is not a crying baby. This is only a giant baby. So, you should take this cute little LOL baby at home. Kenny? No. Alright, you have a poor family. You can't afford to feed this baby, right? Maybe I have to take this little cute baby home. Baby? Hey, I know that you're trying to play with us, but we are smaller than you, so you should be very, very slow on us because we are very delicate, you know? You're a cute baby. You can come with me.